first graders, welcome to our first spelling list for the year. This is spelling list 1, and we have a lot of words that have "a" in them. That's the short A. The short A says "a" as in apple. Okay. Our first word is man. Say the word man. Okay? This is a man in the picture. Let's make the sounds with our fingers. We counted the sounds with our fingers. That's 3 sounds. Let's look at the word So you will be learning how to blend these, break it apart first, segment the sounds one by one, and then put it together again to make this word. So our first word is man. This is the next word. This word is can. This man can climb. So let's make the sounds with our mouths and count the sounds. K, n. Okay. So let's do that one more time. K, n. Okay, so 3 sounds. You'll notice the C, it's a C, not a K. K, n. One more time. K, n. Can. Okay? The next word is nap. This is the word nap. The kitten naps. Let's count the sounds in nap. Ap. One more time. Ap. We have 3 sounds, and our a sound is in the middle. So we have a. Okay, so 3 sounds. Let's do it together. A. Okay. Okay, this is the word tap. Let's make the sounds in tap. T, a, p. Make the sounds with me. T, a, p. There are 3 sounds. Now let's look at the word. T, a, p. So our a is in the middle again. Let's do it again. T, a, p. Okay, next one. This is cat. Once again, you'll notice it has a C, not a K. Okay, let's make those sounds together. K, a, t. K, a, t. 3 sounds. Okay, let's make the sounds with the letters. K, a, t. K, a, t. And you'll notice we have an a in the middle. Okay, this is a hat. There are many different hats in the picture. Let's make those sounds. H, a, t. Again. H, a, t. Okay, let's look at the letters. H, a, t. One more time. H, a, t. And we have our a in the middle. Okay, these are high frequency words, and some of these you can sound out, and some of them you can't. So this word, if we make the sounds, is not. The word is not. So if I make the sounds, it'd be not. Like she cannot go. Okay, so that's one you can make the sounds for. This next one you really can't, because if I make the sounds, it'd be d, a, es, does, and does isn't a word. Does is a word. Okay, so you just have to realize this is a sight word. You have to memorize it. This word is does. Go ahead and make the sounds with me. D, z. Now, if I make those sounds, it'd be d, z. But that's not how we spell does. So even though you know it has 3 sounds, you have to know this is how it's spelled. Does. So friends, today you will be able to listen to the next video, and I'm going to be dictating, and I'll explain that in a minute. So go ahead and get your whiteboard and your marker and press the next video. See you in a minute.